Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, yeah, I've got many coins to eat. Yo viewers, it's Mr. Mukhim. Hope you're doing good, dear buddy Monisadi. And today's video will be not reacting to anything or not going to show, but today's video will be very quite interesting. We're going to play Subway Surf. Yo, it's a game, man. Yes, it's a game. So, if you like it, comments me down how do I play. This is my first time playing this game. Maybe a little bit out of my knowledge, or maybe I don't understand. Yo, but anything or anyway, you comment me down below how it is. So, see you in the game. It seems pretty good. This game, is enjoying it. Yeah. Oh no. It's basically it's like temple run, but yeah, what is this? Oh, what? Yo, I'm flying. Yeah. Oh, no. It's very interesting. It's very nice. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, shit. What? The cop caught me, and my high score is 830. Yeah, I'm tapped to continue this, and I'm going to play second time. I'm going to claim the reward here. Yeah, one for new season and got it. Yeah, I'm going to claim this. I'm going to see what I'm going to get. Down 2 keys. Tap to continue. Yeah, no. Yeah. So let's play again once more. Go. Yeah, it's super interesting the game. Oof, the game's very interesting. I wish that I could get it from before. Oh no, what the hell? Wish I got caught by the police. No, let's play once more. We're going to complete the mission today. Come on. Yeah, let me see I can or not to complete the mission. I'm trying my best. Oh, it's very exciting jumping, man. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I almost struck it. I almost do it. Yeah. I'm going to see what I'm going to get here. Oh, I miss it. Oh, what? I miss it. Let's play once more. Run, baby, run, boy, run. Run, boy, run. Keep running. The cops not get chasing. Keep running. Yeah, keep running. Yeah. Oh, it's good in. Yeah, it's good. Yo. Oh, I'm going to get this key. Yo, there's a flying key. It's magic. Oh, I'm getting it. Yo, my godness. Yo, come on. Yeah, oh, I'm getting the shoes, man. I'm getting the shoes. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. The boy is quite excited running. I wish I can run like this. I can get all the gifts. Yeah, I don't know what is this. It is. I'm almost dead. I think I'm going to complete my mission. Yeah, the train is coming in front of me. Oh, the train is very fast. Man, watch that train. Maybe bullet train or not. I don't know. Oh, what? I'm going the wrong way. No problem. Oh, this is my highest new high score. I got new high score 1366. I'm going to play once more, and this will be the last for today. I hope you'll be very excited. This last, and I wish that I can go a little bit higher than my previous last score of 1388 or what it is. I'm going to get more than this. So you can see my coin is done. 10,306. I'm going to play last. This is the last. Hope you like it. Do comment it, viewers, how I'm playing, man. How I'm playing. Yeah. I wish I'll not die. I wish it. Yeah. Jump. Yeah, I'm going to play. I'm going to take. Oh. Tap to continue. Only 4,002 points. Yeah, I'm going to continue it. I still have some coin. I'm not afraid, because it is my life. Yeah, I'm going to run because the cop is chasing me. I'm a subway runner. I'm going to run. Yeah, get it, baby, get. Yeah, now. I almost, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I reached to another destination. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I have two key I got, so this is the last key. Yeah, yeah. I'm going to play with this one very seriously. I'm going to do it so that I'll not die anymore. Dying is, oh, what? I thought it can be go. No, I'm going to again. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm going to get B now. I don't know what it is. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what? Nice, 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 nice. Oh, the train's coming. Yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, woo, woo, woo. What? Yes, I have to buy the key once more, and I guess so. Let me see my high score is. No, 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 no. Not buy the key now. Oh, new high score is 1642. So, friends, that's all for this. See you next. See you soon. Enjoy it.